Good morning students, how are you all? I hope all are good. Our next topic will be started. Before we can start the globe, first class we can explain the globe and what will be uses of globe, and we can explain on these continents and oceans. Continents and oceans. Now we can continue our next class, latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. Now we can explain to help us understand the location of a place on the earth. We use a network of imaginary lines on a globe. These lines run from east to west and from north to south. The circular lines are a set of circulars that run from east to west are called lines of latitude. They are also called parallels as they are parallel to each other. Now to help us understand the location, this is the picture of longitude lines and latitude lines. This is the location of a place, location of a earth place. Now we use network of imaginary. We will showing these lines now. These lines and these lines run from east to west. These lines run from east to west like this, east to west, east to west. These lines are called latitudes or parallels. These lines are called latitudes and parallels. Next, north to south, the circular lines are set as circular runs. These called north to south. North to south. These lines are called lines of longitude and meridians. These lines are called longitudes or meridians. It is the this is the latitude or parallels lines, and this is longitude and meridian lines. The equator is the longest line of latitude. It divides the earth into two equal parts. The lines of latitude are numbered in order to help us accurately locate place. The equator is at 0 latitude. All the other lines are numbered from this point and other side to be north or south of it. If a place is 10 degree north, we mean that it is on the line of latitude 10 degree north of the equator. Equator means this midpoint. We can seeing this is equator. This will line seeing dark. This is called equator. This is called equator. We can see two earth into two equal parts. This is equal parts. This is one and this is one and this is one. This is called equator. Two parts. Mid will be having this is equator. The equator is a 0 degrees. The equator will be having 0 degrees, 0 latitude. All the other lines are numbered this point. This is will called every time this is 0 degrees, not at a north pole. We are deciding north pole and we are deciding south pole. Every time this equator will be 0 degrees. And south of the if place north pole 10 degrees north pole, and same like that also called south also 10 degrees in the equator point. Mid between north pole and south pole having equator, it is called equator. Now next, 90 degree north, the north pole, and 90 degree south, the south pole, are the only points. All other lines of latitude are circular. 90 degrees of north pole and 90 degrees of south pole. This is the 180 degrees of total degrees. All the other lines of latitude, these lines are latitudes. These lines are latitudes like this. Next, the lines that run from north to south across the globe are called lines of longitude. Lines of longitude or meridians. It is called the lines of run from north to south. The lines are north to south. This is called lines of longitude. These lines are called longitude. These lines are called longitude or meridians. We can say longitude or meridians. Next, the lines of longitude run from the north pole to south pole. They are all semicirculars. They meet at the north and the south pole. See, the lines of longitudes run from North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. This is the semicircular. We can see semicircular. Semicirculars. They meet at the North Pole and South Pole. They each meet. They can meet North Pole to South Pole. Okay. This is the now. Okay. I hope you can understand this topic. Now your homework is lines of latitude are parallels and lines of longitude are parallels. Okay, you can these two globes you will draw, and you can draw the longitude lines and latitude lines. Okay, thank you.